The top news headlines. Exercise can have long-term health benefits, says Minister Shyamkumar. Chief Minister Kejriwal appeals for calm following Delhi CAA violence. And South Korea to launch mass coronavirus testing, US pledges $1 billion for vaccine. Welcome to Times of Manipur Television News today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai. Let's have the news in detail. Raj Medicity, Imphal today celebrated its 16th Foundation Day. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Raj Medicity Chairman cum Managing Director Haubijam Rajan, PDA Chairman T. Mangibabu, Juribam MLA Mahmud Ashafuddin and State Health Services Director Dr. K. Raju along with the staff of the private hospital attended the function. Chief guest of the event, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stated that physical exercise is a must in order to maintain good health and at the same time it can have long-term health benefits. He underlined on the service for the public, lauded the hospital management for successfully running it and wished the latter in its mission to open a medical college in the near future. Expressing serious concern over the increase in the use of tobacco products in the state, the minister urged the masses to abstain from tobacco.
Service security discipline luna hygienic hygienic doctors in Namatam Chana treatment over nursing Saba Toba Mayam Urakan City at Kudong Tiba Met Nivasi Kudong Tibasi every second. Garam Kana Kudong Tiba Nangani and Namway the Quimasi Kudong Tiba Hibangam Deva. Kudong Tiba Ganan Sagi Purgan, Erasmus the poor Sagi, Manipuri Hygienic Karim. Don't mind the Katopa. Magi service fazaba tabuk to mayam sigi top gulduna ni ngasi rajmiti sida et kudong tiba kanda apabo rozo ade kanota bosu checkup or health checkup bosu rajmiti salu na hanya sikari gonata mayam sigi apabo service na koi highly bine.
Violence continued for the third consecutive day in several parts of northeast Delhi, especially Manipur, Brahmanpuri and other adjoining areas. As per reports, a police head constable was among 5 people who died in violence that took a communal color and spread to other parts of northeast Delhi as organized group attacked each other, setting shops and vehicles on fire yesterday. Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal appealed to everyone to maintain peace and remain calm during a press meet. Kejriwal will chair an all-party MLAs meet to discuss the situation in northeast Delhi. The Chief Minister, while talking to reporters, also said complained that many MLAs have had is about lack of adequate police deployment, for which he will be meeting Home Minister Amit Shah today, media reports said. On Monday, 5 people, including a policeman, were killed and over 50 injured after northeast Delhi witnessed clashes over the Citizenship Amendment Act. The streets turned into a battle zone, following which paramilitary was called in to control the situation. South Korea aims to test more than 200,000 members of a church at the center of a surge in coronavirus cases, while the United States pledged $2.5 billion to fight the disease as it spreads rapidly beyond China's borders to Europe and the Middle East. As per reports, the White House said more than $1 billion would go toward developing a vaccine, with other funds earmarked for therapeutics and the stockpiling of personal protective equipment such as masks. The US and South Korean militaries say they may cut back joint training due to mounting concerns about the spreading of coronavirus in one of the first concrete signs of the virus's fallout on global US military activities. Let's take a short commercial break now. Coming up next, age-old bond of Meitei and Marang communities commemorated.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness competition kayada mana kaya fanglak well-qualified trainers in Makdok Chaba, Kudlai Matik Chana Lairaba Amadi, Nupa Nupi Punasanaba Yaraba Gymne. Admission fee rupees 500 only. Monthly fee rupees 500 only. 1 year rupees 4,500. 6 months rupees 2,400. 3 months rupees 1,300. February Thagi Oinadi admission fee Logjaroi. Pollution free location Oiraba Amadi, Tha Ahum Kudingi, free health checkup ki Kudong Chab Supijari. Ngasimag Lengsin Biro, Lions Gym Health and Fitness, Kwakatil Haino Kongnembi, Pukrimapal, contact number 7005687478.
Takshila Institute registration open for JEE and EET Foundation. For Takshila Vision and EET and Vision JEE eligibility 10th appeared. Duration 2 years. Screening date 22nd of March. Batch start 30th of March. For Takshila Mission and EET and Mission JEE eligibility 11 appeared. Duration 1 year. Screening date 22nd of March. Batch starts at 30th of March. Takshila Target and EET eligibility 12 passed. Duration 1 year. Screening date 10th of May. Batch starts 18th of May. For Takshila Target JEE eligibility 12 pass, duration 1 year, screening date 26th of April, batch starts 4th of May. For more details, please contact Takshila Institutes, Takshila Height, Thangmaiban DM College Road. Enroll now.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi Khudingi Leptana Topper Puthokliba CBSE gi Amatangairaba Coaching Center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject of Tobagi Kudong Chaba Piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare, form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa moral gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahobom Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Aura Career Launcher. Admission open for foundation course of class 9 and 10 2020. Subjects offered physics, chemistry, biology and maths. Duration 4 months. Course fee rupees 2,000 per subject. Last date of form submission 1st of March 2020 Sunday. Class commencing from 2nd of March 2020 Monday. For more details, please contact Aura Career Launcher, Takshila Heights, Thangmaiban DM College Road. Phone number 888-9464-222. Or you can also visit at the website www.auracareerlauncher.com.
Welcome back after the break. Commemorating the age-old relationship between the Meitei community and Maram community, the Meitei, Lipun and Maram Union jointly organized a program retracing past and nurturing shared heritage of Maram and Meitei at the Royal Palace in Imphal. Titular King of Manipur, Leshemba Sanajoba and Sagumkang Number of Maram graced the event. The event was witnessed presentation of gifts and exchange of rice wine and shawls among the dignitaries. A border security force BSF Jawan died following a speeding truck hit him along National Highway 33 at Kuchu Aupi in Ranchi. The deceased has been identified as Laishram Nishikant from Rajbari Lanka of Assam. According to sources, the fatal accident took place on Saturday. Later, BSF officials handed over the body to his family in Assam. Nishikanta is survived by his wife and a daughter. A 3-day state-level training for trade union activists began at RPS Conference Hall in Bishnupur district yesterday. Along with 25 women from different parts of the state are participating in the training program organized by Datopant Thengadi National Board for Worker Education and Development, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India and Regional Directorate, Secured Office Complex, Imphal. Bishnupur Municipal Council Chairperson El Maniyaima and social worker S. Jiban also attended the opening event. Imphal West District Police seized illicit liquor and arrested 13 persons during anti-liquor drive carried out in different parts of Imphal West last night. Around 300 liters of illicit liquor, including DIC and IMFL, was seized during the drive, a police report said today. The Chief Minister's level talks on the interstate boundary issue between Meghalaya and Assam will take place under the budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly. According to reports, the 10-day budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly will be held from March 13 to 26 next. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said when he spoke with Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal last Sunday, he also shared concern on the long pending boundary dispute, media reports said. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Players' Day is being celebrated across Manipur today. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Government of Manipur celebrated the day at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium, Imphal. YAS Minister Letpao Haukip, Commissioner Bobby Wycombe and Director Dr. K. Shamsundar Singh attended the celebration. Minister Letpao Haukip said that Manipur has won numerous accolades in the field of sports. The state has recipients of Padma Bhushan Award, Khel Ratna Award and Padma Shri Award. Apart from this, most players in under 17 women football team of the country are from Manipur, Haukip said, adding that the government will continue to work for development and promotion of games and sports in the state.
Under 17 Women's Football World Cup Taramathoi squad akhoi Manipur tara yauri. It's a very proud moment for Manipur. Akhoi ki chakhuk chanangai oiba akhoi ki leidana adana asumba mayam sigi incentive award su adum pinai ngasi jinumit sida right at the moment hojik ngasimak pinangai leitabana khoi ki lamjen oina thara kanda sigi sanaroi singi numit si sigi Pangthok Chabani and Smai Thamzagi.
Ekogi Ikai Kumazariba, Nasiki Function Nasiki Chief Guest, Honorable Minister Sri Letpao Haukip now. Nasiki Matumba, Amohana.
World number 1 Novak Djokovic of Serbia extended his unbeaten start to this season with a 6-1, 6-2 victory over Tunisian Malek Jaziri in the opening round of the Dubai Tennis Championships yesterday. Djokovic, who helped Serbia to victory in the ATP Cup before lifting his 8th Australian Open title last month, struck 22 winners and did not face a breakpoint against wildcard Jaziri in a flawless display. Let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Government working to implement ILPS fully with base year, says Chief Minister. Coronavirus scare. Health Department mulls sealing border. Opposition questions release of NSCNIM man. Myanmar breach project not cancelled, says Birave. The People's Chronicle. Situation not favorable for holding dialogue, says RPF. Furore over exam question on BJP symbol, Nehru. Centre urged to scrap Armed Forces Special Powers Act, says Chief Minister. Opposition members grill government over drug menace. Cookie bodies decry NSCNIM warning. Centre ready to sign Naga Pact, sans NSCNIM. Imphal Free Press. Citizenship Act. Fresh violence erupts in Delhi, 2 killed. Chief Minister agrees to review ILP guidelines.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Exercise can have long-term health benefits, says Minister Shyamkumar. Chief Minister Kejriwal appeals for calm following Delhi CAA violence. And South Korea to launch mass coronavirus testing. US pledges $1 billion for vaccine. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.